Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to download the latest version of Linux Mint 22.1, the Cinnamon Edition version. I'll take you through it step by step. It's going to be fun, chill, and by the end of it, you will have a whole new world ready to explore. Let's get started. So first thing first, you're gonna type Linux Mint on Google, then click on to Linux Mint homepage, click on that link, then head over to the downloads page and click on the downloads, then get all versions, click on all versions, then we're gonna pick the Cinnamon edition. We have Cinnamon, Mate and X-Force. Remember to pick the 22.1 version, that's the latest one. Remember there are several versions, but pick the 22.1 version, that's the latest one. Remember these are long-term support, gets until April 2029. So pick Cinnamon, then you're going to download from, you're gonna pick any mirror. Remember to pick the mirror that is nearer to you for quicker downloads. For me, I'll pick this one, but pick a quicker mirror that is close to you for a quicker download. So we're gonna wait for it to download. And the main reason we picked Cinnamon edition, this is the slickest. It is the most modern, most recommended version for new users. And just like that, you are now downloading a super slick, secure and bloat-free operating system that millions of people trust daily. Make sure your ISO file is complete, it's downloaded and it's complete. And we are now going to convert it from ISO to bootable file. Now go to Google and type ISO to USB. I'm gonna pick the first one on the list. You can pick whichever, the one that works faster for you, the better. For me, I'll pick that, download. Then once the download has completed, I'm going to open it. Then click next, accept the agreement, next, then finish. Then it will launch. Remember to have a flash drive that is free from data. So browse for the ISO file, the one that we downloaded it, open, get your flash drive, and again I repeat, make sure it is clean, it has no files, or back up your files because everything will be wiped out. Let me insert mine. Yes, there it is. Refresh. There it is. And click on burn. And yes, it will format everything. So it will begin by formatting the drive and then converting the ISO file into a bootable drive. So it will take a few minutes and then it will finish. And there you go. The conversion has successfully completed. Okay? Then you unplug it. And if you ever wanted to download the Linux operating system without losing the Windows, then we are going to do a dual boot installation so that we don't lose Windows and even the files that are in Windows. Thank you. Yes, once the conversion is complete, you are going to restart your PC. While it reboots, press the boot menu. Often it's F12 for Dell, F9 for HP. So I'm going to press F12 for my side, and so after pressing the F12 on my side, I'm gonna pick UEFI boot, enter. Now it will load directly from the USB. Then I'm gonna click enter, the first Cinnamon, the first menu. On my side is Cinnamon, so you click enter. It will load and run directly from the USB. Yes, like I said, You can try it at this moment, but I won't. I'll just continue and install it. So I'm going to double click on install Linux Mint, this one that on the top left corner. Double click install Linux Mint. Then you are going to choose your language. My side, I'll choose English. You can even test the keyboard language, the keyboard layout. I normally click Shift and 2 to identify where art is. So Shift and 2. Yeah, then I will know this is an US international. Then press continue. I'll prefer you, if you have internet, you can connect it to an internet and then it will load some drivers for you. So I prefer install multimedia codecs. Yes, you can check that box, then continue. And then when it asks how to install, you can install the Mint alongside Windows Boot Manager. So you don't want to erase anything. Just need to install it alongside Windows Boot Manager. Pick your region, fill all those details. You can even put your password. Make sure you have a strong password, not a weak one like this one here. This just for demonstration purpose. And then wait. So you are going to wait for about 10-15 minutes for the installation to complete. When it says installation complete, you can click restart now, and then you remove the USB flash drive when prompted. And when your PC starts up, you will see a menu. You will see a Linux Mint and a Windows Boot. So you will pick whichever you want. And congratulations, you did it. You now have a fully working dual boot setup with the Linux Mint 22.1, Cinnamon and Windows. You can now explore the Mint, install apps, customize your desktop, and you can learn Linux at your own pace. It's simple. Yes, if you follow along and made it this far, congrats, you are officially a Linux explorer. Hit that like, tap subscribe, and turn on the bell for the next video, where we will dive into the coolest things you can do with Linux Mint right away. Till then, enjoy your new operating system and happy booting. Thank you and bye bye.